Hello, hello, Standard 4 students. Welcome to you, all of you, the English reader, the chapter 4, the unsatisfied squirrel. Unsatisfied squirrel. Those who never be satisfied. That is unsatisfied. Unsatisfied squirrel. Page 29. This is the unsatisfied squirrel. First of all, the word meaning. First of all, we will discuss the word meaning first. Lively. Lively means full of energy. Squirrel. Squirrel is gilheri. Blink. Blink. Blink is the shut and open the eyes again and again. Shut and open the eyes again and again. Then wink. Wink. Close and open the eyes very quickly. आंख मारना जो आंख मारना. Chase. Run after somebody. Gaze. To look steadily. Mutter. To shake to muttered. Muttered means जैसे छोटे छोटे बातों में बोलना. जैसे to speak in the low voice that difficult to hear. To speak in a low voice that difficult to hear. Then examine. Examine to study an idea. Delighted. Extremely pleased. Extremely pleased. Dragging. To pull somebody. To pull somebody. Exhausted. Very tired. Vigorously. Rapidly. Horrible. Bad or unpleasant. Bad or unpleasant. Then come to the story. Once there was a squirrel named Giri, which is very naughty, lively, playful, scampering always. Scampering means running quickly. Scampering means running quickly. Yes, excuse me. Then one day Giri was sitting on the branch of a tree on munching walnut चोबाना. जैसे हमें कुरकुरे कुर कुर जैसे होता है, साउंड होता है, which with bite with sound will come. Munching walnut. Her gaze fall on her tail. How bushy it is, how light it is, which I cannot feel good. So she wants to change it, change the tail of her own. And so he wanted to change the light bushy tail into a long one, like monkey tail, cat tail, a long one. Not light tail, she likes. Okay. So the long one, so he wanted to go hospital to change its own tail. And in the hospital, Dr. Bholu was there. Dr. Bholu, his friend, Dr. Bholu. Dr. Bholu and Giri, both are friends. Then she went away towards the hospital, and her eyes fall on the cupboard. Her eyes fall on the cupboard. In that cupboard, Giri saw different parts of the body of the animals kept in that cupboard. So she chose a monkey tail, long one, which will help to bind the branches of the tree, and it should not fall. Okay, she choose a monkey tail instead of his own tail. As soon as Dr. Bholu arrived to his chamber, Giri requested to change her tail. That monkey tail, you change it. But instead of my tail, you change the monkey tail. The Dr. Bholu first denied, as it is not suitable for Giri. It is not suitable for Giri. So he told to the friend, the Giri, as he wish to change Dr. Bholu, fix the monkey's tail on her tail. Because Giri wish that I want to take that monkey tail. I want to fix that monkey tail instead of my tail. You please do it. For that reason, Dr. Bholu changed and fixed the monkey tail instead of the bushy tail. But Giri, after some time, when the Giri went out and tried to climb up the tree, she cannot walk or feel so heavy. The monkey tail is so heavy. It is long one, but the Giri's tail is short one and bushy tail. She cannot walk very easily and cannot climb and could not climb the tree properly. So Giri was really worried. What I shall do for it? And was about to change again that. She came back to the Bholu and told and requested him to fix a cat tail in place of the monkey tail. You change it into the monkey tail. Change the monkey tail and fix a cat tail. Cat tail is the short one and lighter than the monkey tail. Bholu changed the second time as the lighter tail than the monkey tail. He changed it to the cat tail. This time also Giri cannot run well and cannot climb the tree with that cat tail. After a while, some dogs, thinking Giri a cat, they started chasing to Giri to bite Giri. Giri, a loud cry, he started going to the hospital for change it soon. And at that time Giri made a loud cry and came for the help of the Dr. Bholu. He ran away to the hospital very quickly to save her life. To save her life, he came quickly from the dog's claw. Because dogs are chasing to bite the Bholu, bite the Giri. Then Giri repented. Giri repented at last that what was my tail and what I have done it. So the Giri repented on her for changing the tail. She was requested to Dr. Bholu, please help me, because the dogs are in front of the hospital to bite me. So please help me and change my cat tail instead of my own tail. You change the cat tail and fix my own tail back, because they are thinking that I am a cat. So they tried to bite me. After the request of the Giri, the Dr. Bholu smiled and fixed his own tail back. Then with a heavy sigh of relief, the Giri, heavy sigh of relief. What happened? Heavy sigh of relief. She came back to the hospital and thanked Dr. Bholu and ran away happily and scampering the day, all the day scampering, like the previous days she was doing. So whatever you have, you should be happy with it. Whatever should you have, you will happy. तुम्हारे पास जितना है तुम इतने खुश होना चाहिए. ज्यादा विश नहीं करना है, ज्यादा वांटिंग नहीं करना है. ओके, सो लाइक गिरी यू शुड नॉट डू लाइक दिस. व्हाटएवर तुम्हारे पास है, तुम्हारे पास जो कुछ भी है उसमें तुम प्लीज रहना है. व्हाटएवर यू हैव, you should be pleased with it. Okay, thank you all of you. Should not be like unsatisfied quarrel. Thank you. Have a nice day.